Unveiling the mystery. Using what as an interrogative determiner. Hello everyone. Welcome to another exciting episode of our English language learning series. Today, we're going to be tackling a very specific, yet vital aspect of English grammar. We're focusing on interrogative determiners, specifically, how, what, can be used as an interrogative determiner. Buckle up as we unravel the mystery together. Before we dive into what as an interrogative determiner, let's quickly review what interrogative determiners are. They are special words that we use to ask questions about the quantity or identity of a noun. The most common interrogative determiners are which, what, and whose. But for now, our spotlight is on what. Let's take a look at what as an interrogative determiner. What is unique because it can be used both as an interrogative pronoun and an interrogative determiner. When we use what as an interrogative determiner, it always comes before a noun. Example: what book are you reading? In this sentence, what is directly followed by the noun book. So, it's functioning as an interrogative determiner. What is asking about the identity of a specific book. This section is crucial because it can be tricky to differentiate between what as an interrogative pronoun and what as an interrogative determiner. When what is an interrogative pronoun, it stands alone, replacing the noun in the question. For instance, in the sentence, "What is your favorite?" What is the interrogative pronoun. But when what is an interrogative determiner, it comes right before the noun it modifies, like, "What book is your favorite?" And there you have it. You've learned how to use what as an interrogative determiner, distinguishing it from its role as an interrogative pronoun. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering any aspect of language. Try to use what as an interrogative determiner in your daily conversations or writings. We hope this video has been insightful and has helped clarify the usage of what in questions. Thank you for joining us today, and stay tuned for more English language adventures. Happy learning!